My name is Bryant Fitts, and I'm a lawyer in Houston, Texas. I grew up on the west side of town, and I spent most of my career representing people who were injured in explosions or people who suffered catastrophic property damage from weather events. I'm posting this video today in response to numerous phone calls I've received today. Most of these people live in West Houston, and they're asking what they should do. As you well know, many people were awoken at 4:30 this morning to the shockwave shaking and severely damaging their homes. Some of these people suffered severe injuries as well. At this point, we know of 2 deaths that have occurred. Some of these injuries to people who did not die include hearing damage if they were very close to the explosion. Other people were injured when the shockwave hit their house. Some people were knocked to the ground from the shockwave, and others suffered severe injuries while running or trying to avoid the damage that had occurred in their homes. All these injuries are the responsibility of the company who caused the explosion. Now, what do you do if you suffered injuries from the Watson grinding explosion? First, you need to seek medical help immediately. This seems obvious, but a lot of people avoid getting help immediately. The sooner you treat, the sooner you can get your injuries diagnosed and treated. Once your injuries have healed, you will need to seek reimbursement and compensation from Watson Grinding. Now, at this point, we don't know what Watson Grinding is going to do. We don't know if they're going to take responsibility for this explosion. But in the event they do, companies like Watson Grinding will approach people who were injured and offer them a very small amount of money in exchange for a release. A release is an agreement where somebody who is injured signs it, and they receive an amount of money from the company who injured them. And the agreement states that they will not hold that company accountable for any more of their injuries in the future. Typically, these payments are very small, and we never recommend you accept them without talking to a lawyer. Our firm is very experienced in explosion cases, and we can help you determine what is the best value for your claim and your damages that are related to the Watson Grinding explosion. Furthermore, we can help you get the best medical care possible. Don't be a victim twice. Get help from an experienced explosion lawyer today. Our consultations are free, and you will never come out of pocket for our services. Call us today at 1-800-99-FITS.